Hi, this is Dr. Kraus with another quick Raspberry Pi configuration video. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I was having a problem with copying and pasting. So if I copied something from my laptop operating system and flipped over to my VNC and said I wanted to paste some text into a file, and I right click and hit paste, it doesn't know what I'm talking about. It just doesn't respond in any way. And my workaround in the other video was to SSH. And so I could, for example, say come here, and then I can just paste in the usual way, and that works just fine. So it pastes in SSH but not in VNC. So that's a workaround to use SSH, but that's kind of a pain. And so what we really would like is to be able to take anything we wanted to paste from VNC, from our home operating system, go over to VNC and just have it work. So there are a number of tutorials on this. So Raspberry Pi, VNC, paste. Let's see how that's working. I'm trying to find. So basically, yeah, this will work. What we got to do is install a package called autocutsel. So auto cut selection or something like that, and then add this line autocutsel-fork to this file home.pi.vnc/xstartup, and then it should just work. And so if I go over here and say sudo app, well, let me change my font here so you can see what I'm typing. That seems excessive. Okay, that's still kind of excessive, but okay. Sudo apt-get install autocutsel, and so hopefully it finds that package and does what needs to be done. And then you could just open this up in VNC and type it. I am going to use the SSH workaround one more time. So I'm going to do cd.vnc and then nano, and tab completion should take care of that xstartup. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to enter, and then I'm just going to paste that right there. Control X, yes, yes. Exit out of the SSH. And it looks like it finished over here, so I'm going to close this and quickly reboot my Raspberry Pi, which should take about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm back. In the time that it took to reboot my Raspberry Pi, my router decided to change my IP address on me just to mess with me. So I can come over here and ping the new IP, which is 192.168.0.120, and that works fine. So if I log into VNC, I can now show that if I come over here and copy some text from my laptop, and I can just right click here and paste, and that works, or I could say nano vnc paste test.txt and paste it into a file. Yes, yes. Okay, so like I said, all we had to do was install, just to review, sudo apt-get install autocutsel. I won't redo that. And then in this file, or in this folder, so I am in home pi VNC, and if I nano the xstartup file, I have added this line, autocutsel-fork. And so that's all it takes. VNC copy and paste now works, and I'm one step closer to having a happy configuration. One thing I don't know if you were paying attention, but when I have my up arrow, I like it to do a better filtering, and so we're going to talk about that in my next video, is how to make sure if I said nano and then hit up arrow, I only want it to scroll through things that start with nano, and it's actually just scrolling through everything. So we'll talk about how to fix that with a .input.rc file next time. Thanks.